Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you today, and we are going to be reviewing some of the new Majorette diecast cars. I had seen some of these posted online, and I gotta say they piqued my interest a little bit. Specifically, this Nismo Skyline, or R35, not Skyline. Somebody posted, and somebody said, "Oh, the matte black is really nice on it," and you know, seeing pictures online is a lot different than seeing it in the store. So when I saw them, they popped up in my Walmart, and I think the one that I saw first was this Countach. And I mean, I gotta say I was impressed. The doors on this, let's zoom in a little bit. The doors on these, I mean, they open up like a Lambo door. And then, you know, the paint on there is really nice. Okay, you can see the sparkles in the paint. Now the wheel design, it lacks there. I will say that. It's not the best wheel design, but you have a nice interior, big front window. Unfortunately, mine came with a scratched windshield right out of the box. Quality control, okay, may not be the greatest. Lambo doors open up. You do have clear headlights. That's not something that you see on Hot Wheels or Matchbox a whole lot, unless it's an RLC or, you know, a really nice premium. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, these have rubber wheels, and they also have working suspension, which I think is the thing that kind of impressed me most about these, is that they have a working suspension. I am curious enough, you guys know me, I do customs, so I'm curious enough to want to tear one of these things apart and see how they're doing it. I really like these. It's even got the clear vents back here. It's got a little clear piece in the back here. But I mean, you have paint apps, you have really, really small tampos. Lamborghini right there. Let's see. Zoom in even more on that, get the camera to stop shaking. I mean, that's a ton of detail. Tiny, tiny little Lamborghini Tampo. And I mean, these are the same exact size as a Hot Wheel. So, I mean, the paint is nice. The quality control, I mean, could be a little bit better. The wheel design could be a little bit better. But for, I think, around $3.50, I mean, this is not bad at all. Rubber wheels, working suspension. Like I said, that's the thing that interested me the most. I mean, working Lambo doors is pretty wild. Wasn't expecting that. I expected the doors to open similarly to the Porsche and the R35. A lot of people were posting about this Porsche, thinking that it was a chase. I got my fingerprints all over it. They thought this was a chase. It is not. They just did it in chrome. Clear headlights again. A decent interior. There's no paint details in the interiors, unfortunately. I would say the wheel design on this one's better than the Countach. I mean, you have two different color wheels. They have a nice design to them. They almost have a 3D printed look when you get up close, but I mean, these look really good. Working suspension as well. I mean, tiny, tiny little writing in there. But these look great. I mean, I was surprised for $3.50. I mean, I would say it's close-ish to like a Hot Wheels premium quality. I mean, we are talking rubber wheels. You know, we're talking really, really nice paint on each one of these. The matte black is great. This chrome is fantastic. You don't see two colored wheels on Hot Wheels very often. I mean, I would say the only thing I've really probably ever seen it on is a fantasy car. But the paint is great on these. You have headlight and taillight paint. Well, I mean, not headlights. Headlights are clear, so they look more like real headlights. But you have, you know, do I even have? Yeah, I've painted that one. I haven't painted this one. But you don't get paint apps on the back of Hot Wheels. Now, granted, Hot Wheels are half the price of these, but you have to pay $6.50 for a premium to have full paint apps or maybe a clear headlight or tail light, whereas this, half the price of a premium, around half the price of a premium. You get your taillights painted, you get clear headlights. You may not have a ton of tiny details, say the grille, you know, you're not getting details in that. I mean, you got your little Porsche logo. But you're getting working suspension? I mean, that's wild to me. You're getting moving parts. You don't ever see moving parts unless it's an RLC or an Elite 64. And then you're paying a major premium for it. So, I mean this is the one that got me. This is incredibly nice. Oh, I didn't even notice the little roll cage in there. You have molding details in there. Yeah, this one had some scratches on the windshield as well. I mean, like I said, quality control may not be the greatest, but you get a racing steering wheel. See if I can get the light a little closer. There we go. See this a little bit better now. You get some nice molding details going on in there. And little modal stickers, the raised wheel stickers, clear headlights. Get a little bit more detail in the grille on this one, but the GTR logo is perfect. Let's take this one and we're gonna compare it to the premium Hot Wheels that just came out this year. It's part of the entertainment set. I mean, that GTR logo is a little bit harder to read. You can kind of see it. Let's put these side by side. Let you guys be the judge. Oof. I think Majorette may take the win on this one. But, I mean, if we're looking at them side by side, you do get clear headlights on this premium. But now this is half the price. Nearly half the price. I'll probably keep mistaking that, but it's nearly half the price, Majorette, of Hot Wheels. Do you have some better molding? You have more canards. I mean, nearly the identical same front lip. Hot Wheels doesn't have suspension though. No moving parts on this one. Can't really see the interior details, but I'm going to say it's probably pretty basic from what I can tell. Regular steering wheel, even though that this is a race car. You do have a die-cast wing versus a plastic wing. The rear is painted. About the same, yeah, rear splitter. You have kind of more basic paint for the taillights on the Majorette, but you do have much tinier logos that are just, they look perfectly printed on. I gotta say, I mean, that does look incredible. So, I mean, I like the wheel design on these. I think that's another thing that got me was the wheel design. They look like legit 5-spokes. They are rubber wheels. They look good. Working suspension. One of the reasons why I want to take these apart is because if you put these in and slam this might look pretty good. Slam it with working suspension still? I don't know. We'll see about that. It might be a future video, but let me know in the comments. Is Majorette the new Hot Wheels killer? Are we going to be vying after these more than our premiums that we get? Who knows? I gotta say, these three are impressed me to no end. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for coming to the Hot Wheels Ninja channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.